The household items you need are Q-tips, paper towel, and canola oil in a shot glass. You don't have to use the shot glass, I just used it. You can use a dish. If you do not have any of these items, you can purchase on your own, or you can use my partnership link with Amazon on the description below. Any purchasing from the link below will not cost you extra. Thanks for the support. For this demo, I will be using the Nike Air Max 1 VSP Black Patch, which was released in 2015. As you can see, the Nike Air Bubble is murky and not clear. First thing you will want to do is to dab the Q-tip and start going over the bubble. Think of it as coloring in the air bubble and keeping it within the bubble. And you can see that there's already a big difference. You can see my hand waving in the background. Check out the difference, it's night and day. I am going to go ahead and apply on the other side, just coloring it in as I did before. Next, I'm going to apply to the other side of the Q-tip that doesn't have the oil applied to it. As you can see, the side that has the oil applied to it is dirty. Same motion as we did when we applied the oil, and then we will clean it on the other side. Then we will reapply the oil for the finishing touch. Just repeat the first step when applying the oil with the Q-tip. This gives it a nice finish, making it look almost brand new. Look at the before and after pics. It's night and day. The next sneaker I will be demoing is an older sneaker, the Air Max 1 Tweed Pack, which was released in 2007. I love these sneakers. So let's see what happens when we give it the same treatment. We will be dabbing coloring it in. It didn't do much, so I will reapply again. Not much difference. With that said, make sure you give it a try to all your favorite sneakers before it's too late. Again, you can see the subtle differences. Some air bubbles are just cooked and you won't make much of a difference. As you can see, there is a little dried streak mark on the air bubble. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.